Good morning, everyone. This is Sarishta U20 BCL 0136. We talk about democracy and corruption, but many of us are just too tired even to vote. We prefer to promote corruption when we want to get our work done. We fail to stand by those who raise voice against corruption, but just want to win an argument and even to lose our self-esteem to corruption system. We are just promoters. There is a fragmentation within us in what we say, what we think, and what we do. What have we actually done on the individual basis to strengthen democracy and reduce corruption? This always gives birth to democracy is the price we pay to corruption is the price we pay to democracy. To be discussed as a group discussion topic in this video. Corruption is any unfair means to do our work done. Corruption exists in almost every sector. In small terms, corruption exists in college where students have to pay to get their marks done. In big terms, it exists in politics. As we know that democracy means of the people, for the people, and by the people. It also helps people to live the way they want. This liberty, however, can be misused. Hence, this question arises. Is democracy resulting in corruption? Corruption is directly related to the economy because flowing of money increases, then the process of price also increases. And finally, the members of family could not survive easily in the environment, and the farmers goes for suicide. When people are given the choice to choose their leader, they must think twice before doing it. If they accept bribe, it's not a democracy that can be named. Corruption is like a creeper which grows on spreading its area more and more in the society. As we are habited to complete our work in lesser time, we pay bribe. The mistake can be seen in both people who are giving the bribe and the one who is taking the bribe. In my opinion, the change must start from oneself. The oneself means you.
Hello, I am Surya, 20 BCS 0133. Corruption is like a pandemic which is not only in India but spread all about world. If tell about corruption, then its main causes, it working or giving, bribe, being wicked and greedy to others. Not only upper class people are corrupt, but also middle and poor class people also corrupt. And if I say in present scenario, then I can say it's never be finished. It's become let's only to improve people mentality and give to them moral education, and it start from myself. If everyone is educated and not be greedy, then it's maybe restricted. If I see in sector, then I found corruption as politics, education, etc. So if I improve on mentality about corruption, then it's maybe reduced. When some people take to give bribe to make this work is called corruption. Corruption is like very weapon because nowadays corruption is day to day provide harm of your life and it's create to think and issues. That's my point. Say the many people want a job nowadays and still money are made very weakness provide. The reason began is corruption. First of all, illiteracy and casteism. Second one, restriction. In India, received people perfect to deserved. Third one, lack of resource and low salaries are provided from our people. So they're taking brief to fulfilling their need. The biggest reason behind in this population, at last in my option, consumption is routed in India. So it's very difficult to abolish it completely from our country. But the effort is everyone, we can reduce it.
Hello everyone, I am Jashwant Kumar. My register number is 20 BCS 0139. Corruption is a word, it means dishonest and wicked. Almost every citizen of the country is corrupt. In my point of view, corruption is dishonest behavior by those in position of such as managers and government officials. There are many causes of corruption. It's like low salaries are paid in many government and private sectors, and lack of job opportunities and lack of coordination and control in government offices. People make their work by bribe. It is called corruption. It means poverty, that's rich and are getting richer and poor are getting poorer. Democracy makes everyone a free bird. Sometimes people, especially the politicians, make use of this in a wrong way. The main cause of corruption is unemployment, low salaries, and the lack of education. Some people are not able to post Why they get the jobs by money that they did not work properly. By the corruption, poor Indian citizens do not get the advantage of government schemes. Due to corruption, India did not become a developed country. Government took many steps to control over the corruption, like the demonstration, GST, and the Jan Dan Yojana, etc. And the people who give some amount of money to someone else so that their work can be done quickly, those people are corrupt. So even the politicians are corrupt. In most occasions, corruption is done by the people who have powers given by the government.
Hello everyone, this is Vishwa, 20 BCS 0137. Corruption starts when uneducated people stands in election and powers given to them. India has the huge population and high rate of tax, etc. are the mainly cause of corruption. According to data, India is among the topmost country where 62% of people are given bribe to officers and 76% of officers take a bribe from the citizens. We are living in a year where illegal is legal, corruption is democracy, and you all agree with this. We all know that corruption is a legal offense and it's like a fatal disease. But we can't say that only our government is responsible for corruption. Even we all are also involved in it. And I consider that it's a misunderstanding that we blame our government. Our government is not corrupted, but the peoples in there, peoples are corrupted. And the peoples take advantage of this entrusted power given by them, but given by the government. To stop corruption, the government should take anti-corruption law and take strict action against these activities. And moral education is given by the parents and teachers to their children. To conclude, I would like to say that taking bribe and giving is a crime. We have to think about country and laws. We should try to follow all rules and laws because of all of this is for our benefits only. We have to stop thinking about giving and taking bribes. We should think about development of our country by paying tax on time and doing all our works with honesty. After all proverbs, is there honesty is the best policy? Just think about it. Thank you, sir.